Hey guys, I'm back. Had a few months in bed, couldn't move, but we're gonna try to get back on track. We're gonna be doing our first cook. We're gonna be doing a prime rib wrapped in beef bones. So let's get going. All right, so what I'm gonna start off with is a boneless prime rib roast, and nothing fancy. What I got here is just some beef bones that, believe it or not, you can find these in the grocery store, and I just had my butcher just kind of cut them in half for me. So I got a bunch of those. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and trim this piece off, sort of make it more compact. I'm looking for roundness, and again, I didn't get the thickest piece that I should have, but we're gonna make this work. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna be using a rub that Simon Barbecue sent me. This is the Montreal barbecue rub. It smells great. I'm gonna give this a try. So we got our prime all rubbed up. Next step is we are going to be taking our butcher string. We're going to be laying our butcher string out. Line up our beef bones. And I don't know if you guys ever had beef marrow before. It wasn't something I've ever tried, but I did try it at a restaurant once, and incredible. I mean, it's a little weird, but when they're cooked right, incredible flavor on these things. So I hope this helps with this rib roast. All right, we're gonna take our prime and we're just gonna lay that down on top. And let's see if this will work. It's gonna be a little tricky, but I think we'll get it. Go ahead and straighten the ones that we need to. We'll tie our second one off. All right, so as you can see, this is a little weird, but the idea actually came from an email I got. I think it's from the grill.com or grilling.com. I saw this, they called it a shotgun or double barreled prime rib. Looks cool. I'm doing it a little bit differently. As you can see, my prime rib should have been a little bit wider to fit the beef bones, but it is what it is. I'm also gonna cook this sideways where the website actually had it standing up. So I figured the marrow will start melting a little bit and, just coating that prime rib. So we're all set here. Let's get this on the MasterBuilt. So we got our MasterBuilt fired up, heated up to 350 degrees. Again, we're not smoking this because we got these bones covering the meat. So it may take some smoke, but not a lot. We just got some regular mesquite, no smoking wood at all. 350 degrees, let's get it on. All right, so we're at the 3-hour mark. I was looking for an internal temp about 130, 135 for that medium rare. So we hit that. Let's go ahead and pull this off. And let's see how I'm gonna do this without killing myself. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put this in the house, and we're gonna let it rest for about 15-20 minutes until we get to the next step. So our meat has rested for about 20 minutes, and a recap, cooked it at 350 degrees until we got an internal temp around 130. Some parts of it was like 125, 130, 132, so it was a little overplaced. Hopefully we got it right. Let's go ahead and remove these bones. And this smells incredible already. All right, since we had it covered with those bones, we didn't really develop a good crust on that. But never fear, we're going big time here. We got the sous vide gun from Grill Blazer. I'll have the link down below. These things are incredible. They make starting my grills so much easier. Also, get a nice crust on your meat. So let's fire this thing up. Stand back. All right, now we're ready to cut this thing. All right, it's time to try it. Now it's a little bit on the medium side, which, you know, I'm okay with, but take a little end piece here. Take some of that bone marrow that just came off. That's pretty damn good. That's probably one of the best prime ribs I've had ever. That bone marrow totally just basted that prime as it cooked. The smell's incredible. The taste, that rub still coming through. Ooh, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be an awesome dinner. You guys give this a try. Let me know what you think. I'll see you guys on the next run. Thanks for watching.